In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an industry and commerce quick design in 1 minute. It's really easy. The industry and commerce quick design only need 3 steps. The first step is to enter the basic project name and address. The address will automatically associate with the nearby weather station and power grid parameters. Then enter the annual energy consumption. If there is a feed-in power upper limit in the local area, you can enter it. Step 2. Enter the PV module configuration information. The target oversizing ratio is 120% by default. Determine whether to configure the optimizer and energy storage system based on the site requirements. Click on Auto to see the device connection. Click Next to generate a report. You can export a local PDF report. The report displays basic information, energy management, power curve, and module layout. For electrical connections, we can view the device connection status, including the number of inverters, PV modules, optimizers, and energy storage devices. The learning of an industry and commerce quick design is over. Good job!